Ever wonder how YouTubers get paid for doing what they love? It's easier than you think. Hey there, future YouTube star. Today we're diving into the secrets of making money on YouTube. First things first, find your niche. Love gaming? Fitness? Cooking? Pick something you're passionate about, because viewers can tell when you're faking it. Next up, consistency is key. Upload regularly and engage with your audience. Think of your channel like a TV show. People tune in because they know when to expect new episodes. Pro tip, quality over quantity. Invest in a decent mic and camera, but don't break the bank. Start simple and upgrade as you grow. Now, let's talk cash. Ad revenue is cool, but don't ignore brand deals and merch. Partnering with brands you love can be a game changer. And don't forget to promote your channel on social media. Every bit helps. So, are you ready to make it big? Hit that record button and let's get started. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. You got this.